What is the name of the tool? The name of the hand tool shown in the video is C-clamp, although it is sometimes simply called G-clamp due to its distinctive shape. This versatile tool is used in woodworking, welding, and metalworking to firmly hold two or more pieces of material together. It consists of a heavy metal C-frame, a swivel pad, and a large threaded screw. By rotating the screw, you apply substantial clamping pressure, creating a strong temporary hold essential for tasks like gluing, drilling, or securing workpieces to a bench.